Guys, good evening everyone. This what we have to take for our dinner, and I said let me prepare this for us, guys. This one I've just chopped my onions, pepper and garlic here. Although guys, I didn't prepare to do this, that is why I would have show guys, I will show you guys how I do this, but I didn't prepare for it. But I decided to do this now, and I do this with, I chop it, the onions, the pepper, that's fresh pepper, with garlic with this machine. Very nice, guys. I like the looking, so we see it's how nice it is, or how nice it's going to be later. This recipe here in, we have onions, garlic and red pepper. That is what I have here, and I want to add my Maggi. I will add my Maggi. The gas is on already. I will add my Maggi and add my salt. We add my salt, guys. We add my salt. I add my salt, and this is my ingredients for this recipe. Let me lower my gas. Oh guys, this one is a rush one, and because it's a rush one, so we are going to do it so fast. I don't want it to be so long, at least 10 minutes. This one is the recipe. This is just what I like. Understand, guys? If you like, some people do blend it, but for me, I don't want to blend it. I just want to see it. I want to see the beauty of it all. And these are my ingredients. Okay, guys, these are my ingredients. One is garbage, carrots, onions, puro, passy pepper. If this thing was just in one pack, I would have shown us, guys, how it was in the pack, but I was not having this thought at the beginning, but I decided to do this. It's very good. It's very good for our dinner. It's good for our health as well. That is why I said let me do this. This one is my turkey. I'm going to use turkey for it. And this one is my potato, Irish potato. And I use this one as well. I use this just to spice it up. Okay, guys. Okay, what we have to do now, this is my recipe, and I believe most of us, these are not new. These are not new to us in the kitchen. Okay, let me keep this aside. Okay, guys, let me keep this aside. Okay, I want to wash him. I just decided to put this on the video because I know it's going to be helpful to everyone of us, because it's good for the head. It's good for the heads. It's healthy. Even God wants us to live in good health. At times, especially to us Nigeria, I know it's not only Nigeria that is watching this from different parts of the country. It's good for the health. Even if you know you're on diets, this kind of food is just good. Okay, guys. Okay, let me throw this away. Okay, I'm going to put everything together. I'll put everything. I want to put everything together. Okay, so it's my turkey. I just decided to pieces it. Slice my turkey. Yeah. Very nice. Guys, this Becky's word. Like, subscribe. There are so many people that are asking me how are they going to subscribe. You see that in the way they wrote subscribe with red color. Just press it. Just press it and subscribe to Becky's World. Like and share, and press the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload any video. This looks nice, guys, but I don't want this video to stay too long, so we are going to off it here. When it's almost done, we'll come back for it. Okay guys, I decided to change the pot because the other one was a little bit small. Our food is done, it's cooked. Look at it guys. Yeah, so now we have to put the remaining recipe. This recipe don't need to stay long too much, at least maximum 5 minutes. So that is why I hold on for this to get cooked. So first and foremost, I have to push the carrots and this. What's the name of this? So we have to put these two and watch. Okay. Yeah. That is yummy. So we have to wait for this. Okay guys, I have to add a little pinch of salt. Let me add a little pinch of salt. Okay. Okay, guys. For this, we don't have to allow them to cook much. No, you don't have to allow them to cook. It's fine. Okay. So let's put these ingredients. You can see them. You can buy them in any supermarket. In any supermarket, you can buy this. You can buy these things in anywhere. Let me put everything. This garbage, I'm going to put it last. I don't want to allow it done too much. And it's everything you have to do under 5 minutes. Oh my God. Good. Let it cook a little bit.